The efficient and creative design of the Tahoe 195 allows us to pack a lot of features into our most agile ski fish deck boat. The sleek driver's console sports a simulated Burlwood dash, tinted windscreen, and numerous gauges, plus a killer AM/FM CD stereo with MP3 jack. This versatile family pleaser comes pre-wired for a trolling motor and includes stowable fishing seats, under-gunnel rod storage, and an aerated live well. When it's time for water sports, a changing curtain drops down from the 195's color-keyed bimini top. The aft swim platform is easy to access through the walk-through transom gate. The spacious cockpit includes a portside refreshment center with a freshwater sprayer, a removable serving table, and aft of the cockpit, a generous padded sun deck. The 195 has an all-new look that is sportier than ever, with 5 dazzling colors and all-new graphics that make a statement wherever you go, on the trailer, at the dock, and on the water. There's more room, more features, more comfort, and just plain value built into the 20-foot Tahoe 195 than you'd ever expect. So much value that you simply need to see for yourself at your nearest dealer.